Welcome, nature lovers. Today, we're embarking on a journey to discover the majestic mountains around the world. From towering peaks to stunning alpine landscapes, these destinations are a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. Join us as we explore 10 breathtaking mountain destinations that will leave you in awe. Our first stop is the Swiss Alps in Switzerland. Experience the iconic Matterhorn, explore the charming villages of Zermatt and Interlaken, and indulge in exhilarating outdoor activities like hiking, skiing, and paragliding. Next, we head to the Canadian Rockies in Canada. Marvel at the beauty of Banff National Park, hike along the turquoise waters of Lake Louise, and soak in the stunning vistas of Jasper National Park. Let's venture to Patagonia in Argentina and Chile. Discover the breathtaking peaks of Torres del Paine, hike the famous W circuit, and witness the Perito Moreno Glacier in all its splendor. Prepare to be amazed by the Himalayas in Nepal. Embark on a trek to Everest Base Camp, experience the spiritual allure of Kathmandu, and catch a glimpse of the majestic Annapurna Range. Embark on a mountain adventure to the Rocky Mountains in the United States. Explore the natural wonders of Yellowstone National Park, hike the trails of Grand Teton National Park, and witness the awe-inspiring landscapes of Glacier National Park. Get ready to discover the beauty of the Andes in Peru. Trek to the ancient ruins of Machu Picchu, explore the vibrant city of Cusco, and hike the picturesque Colca Canyon. Experience the rugged beauty of the Scottish Highlands. Immerse yourself in the magical landscapes of Glencoe, hike to the summit of Ben Nevis, and explore the enchanting Isle of Skye. Let's journey to the Atlas Mountains in Morocco. Trek through the scenic valleys of the High Atlas, visit traditional Berber villages, and conquer the highest peak, Mount Toubkal. Discover the awe-inspiring beauty of the Southern Alps in New Zealand. Explore the adventure capital of Queenstown, hike the famous Milford Track, and marvel at the stunning fjords of Fiordland National Park. Conclude your mountain exploration with a visit to the Julian Alps in Slovenia. Discover the picturesque Lake Bled, hike through Triglav National Park, and admire the beauty of the Postojna Cave. And that concludes our journey through 10 breathtaking mountain destinations. From the snow-capped peaks of the Swiss Alps to the rugged beauty of the Scottish Highlands, these destinations offer endless opportunities for outdoor adventure and awe-inspiring landscapes. Which mountain destination has captured your heart? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Happy travels! Happy travels! Thank you for joining us on this virtual mountain adventure. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel content. Until next time, happy exploring!